In the tumult of a storm, where lightning splits the heavens and thunder echoes like the rhythmic beating of an ancient drum, there exists a silent struggle known as astrophobia. This profound fear, often cloaked in misunderstanding, haunts the hearts of many, casting its shadow with an invisible, unyielding grip. Embark with us on a journey of enlightenment, illuminated by the stories of those who have braved the stormy seas of this fear. Astrophobia, the fear of thunder and lightning, extends beyond transient anxiety to become a palpable reminder of nature's untamable furor, capable of stirring deep unrest within the soul. For some, storms invoke the thrill of nature's spectacle; for others, they churn an internal tempest far surpassing any external fury. Through personal stories, we glimpse the bravery required to confront and slowly disarm the fear that veils their peace. Together, we will explore the experiences of those who have faced their dread head-on, charting a course through darkness towards a hopeful, radiant dawn, encouraging a journey of self-discovery and resilience. Inside the storm's heart, where lightning and thunder reign, there resonate voices of a different tempest, one that rages not in the skies but within the soul. These are the voices of individuals who experience each thunderbolt as a direct strike to their hearts, illustrating astrophobia's profound effects on their lives. Imagine a fear so potent, it infiltrates the very fabric of daily existence. A storm forecast becomes a prelude to anxiety. This chapter, Voices of the Storm, brings these personal battles to light, offering insights into the unseen struggles of those with astrophobia. From the unease that blankets them before the storm to the palpable dread as it unfolds, their narratives reveal the depth of their challenge, navigating life under the constant specter of the next storm. Yet within these stories, we uncover resilience, outlining coping strategies that glimmer like lights in the dark. As we dive deeper, we discover that understanding is a key ally in overcoming fear. By exploring astrophobia's roots and sharing strategies for coping, we aim not only to inform but to kindle hope. Our journey into the heart of astrophobia has unveiled personal stories and confronted the internal storm. Now, we venture further, seeking to unravel astrophobia's psychological roots. What transforms thunder and lightning from natural phenomena into sources of intense dread? Experts point to a complex mix of genetic and environmental factors, including traumatic experiences linked to storms, that can ingrain this fear deeply within our psyche. The storm's unpredictability may also fuel a need for control, intensifying the fear. Understanding astrophobia involves more than tracing its origins. It's about acknowledging its impact on our lives. This fear can isolate and restrict, throwing a shadow over existence with its pervasive anxiety. Yet, in recognizing these roots, we find a foundation to build upon towards overcoming them. In the following dialogue, strategies and therapeutic insights reveal paths to resilience, offering the strength to navigate the storm within, transforming fear into a narrative of self-discovery and healing. Within the storm's core, amidst the cacophony of thunder and blinding lightning, lies not just fear, but a gateway. A gateway to facing astrophobia squarely and converting daunting fear into empowering freedom. This pivotal chapter, Lightening the Load, escorts us through this transformative voyage, enriched by expert insights. Our guides share coping strategies, acting as lighthouses through the tempest. Techniques vary from the grounding presence of the immediate physical environment to cognitive behavioral therapies' structured pathways, designed to diffuse the storm's terror. Subtle yet effective, these methods aim to recalibrate our perception of storms, possibly shifting dread towards neutrality or even appreciation. Among the innovative therapies introduced is music therapy, utilizing melody to counter the storm's harshness, while virtual reality exposure therapy provides a controlled setting for individuals to confront and ultimately embrace their fears. As we delve into these coping mechanisms, the journey to overcoming astrophobia reveals itself as one of patience and perseverance, underlining a life beyond fear where thunder signifies not panic but a call towards resilience and empowerment. As the clouds dissipate, revealing beams of hope that light our way, we arrive at our journey's conclusion through the tumultuous realm of astrophobia. The once menacing clash of thunder and the flash of lightning now symbolize our hard-won resilience. We've navigated the shadows, guided by a luminous trail of understanding and equipped with strategies to shield us from the storm's fury. The future, once veiled in dread, now shines bright with promise, a landscape where fears no longer steer our course, inviting us to embrace life's uncertainties with newfound bravery. Reflecting on this odyssey, we stand in the serene aftermath, not as the storm's casualties, but as the architects of our tranquility, looking ahead to a hopeful future, empowered and free.